Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing and this is kind of an editorial video, sort of an op-ed, if you will, but the possibility of, the prospect, should Thailand create a fiancé visa? And I state this because I do a lot of, I assist in a lot of fiancé visas for Thai nationals to the United States. And I have seen a lot of unfortunate circumstances here in the last roughly, 3 to 6 months where I've seen people call me and say, I've been talking to my fiance for a long time. We've been together a while. We're just not legally married. Is there any visa for me? And frankly, there isn't one directly for those circumstances. But should it be discussed, the possibility of a fiancé visa for Thailand? And I think it's a good question, frankly. I think it could be very useful. I've seen a lot of couples who just had never gotten around to getting legally registered married in Thailand. Then this set of circumstances in response to COVID popped up, and they are now precluded from being together because they don't have any other valid reason for being in Thailand. Now, there are circumstances that can be sort of procured wherein they can sort of, if somebody wants to do business in Thailand, they may be able to form a company and use that to come into Thailand, or if they're over a certain age, notably 50, they may be able to use a retirement visa. But there are couples who don't meet any of the criteria, and under those circumstances, it sort of begs the question, what about a fiancé visa? My personal opinion is I think it's definitely something perhaps immigration policymakers should think about, creating a new subcategory under the O designation for folks who have significant others in Thailand. They could prove up the relationship in a similar manner to a fiancé visa application for the U.S. The visa could only be issued for 90 days, much the same way as visa status for fiancés is issued in the United States. And upon arrival, if the couple does get married, then that person, that foreign national, it is possible for them to extend their status based on marriage visa status here in Thailand. My personal opinion is it's probably something that Thai immigration should take a look at, possibly implementing a visa akin to a fiancé visa for the Kingdom of Thailand.